Who's your favorite pitmaster's favorite pitmaster?
Hey, what's going on, Tremendous Q fans? It's your boy here, Wade Morris, owner of Pitmaster Tremendous Q, and today I am back with another quick video for you guys, all right? Now, before we jump into it, you know I got to thank everybody for stopping by. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, cut on those notifications so you can get notified when I drop all my latest content, all right? For my returning subscribers, you know I appreciate you guys' support. So today's video, super quick, we're doing wings. Wings. It is all about wings, all right? Now, normally if you've been following the channel for a while, you know I am a dry rub guy. I love dusting them before they go on the grill, grilling them, dusting them again when they come off, boom, bam, you're done. And that's just my personal preference. But I got a birthday gift from Mommy Dearest, and the kids saw a recipe that they just really wanted to try. It's a wet sauce wing recipe. Say that 10 times fast. Wet sauce wing recipe. Wet sauce wing recipe. Anyway, so yeah, I got the birthday gift, and voila, we got today's video. So without any further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the video, and we'll check out how these wings turned out. All right. Okay, so one of the first things I actually want to show you guys is how to cut these whole wings, all right? You see these, I'm going to show you guys twice, all right? So don't worry about having to go back and freeze the video. When you try to cut whole wings, what you're looking to do is aim for the cartilage in between the wing section and the leg section. By the way, the wing section is absolutely the better of the two. We can go ahead and argue in the comments below. But you see, I got pretty much all of the cartilage in between those two wings. Let's look at this one more time. Essentially what you're going to do is draw a V around the leg section of the wing, okay? After you draw that V, you're going to aim to hit a little bit to the left of that, and you're going to cut off a little bit of the wing section, and you're going to get right in the middle of the cartilage, and I got it perfectly on this. All right, we got no gristle, we got right in the middle of the cartilage, and that's how you cut a whole wing so that you can have the wing section and the leg section, all right? So let's go ahead and rub these things down with a basic rub. I'm actually just going to use my brisket rub on these wings, and that is going to be it for the base seasoning, okay? I know that we are saucing these, but I mean, you need a little something. You can't just throw completely dry wings on the grill. That's some sort of blasphemy. I'm sure there's a law against it somewhere, okay? And this is, voila, this is the reason that we got this video. This was the birthday gift from Mommy Dearest, all right? I love hot sauces, and my mom got this hot sauce collection and she sent it to me. And obviously the first one that we're going to try is going to be the reason that we got this video today, all right? It's the America's Wild West buffalo sauce. This sauce, these bottles, they come from, there's flavors from Spain, there's flavors from Brazil, Egypt, Japan. Really cannot wait to dig into that birthday gift and try some of those other sauces. But today, let's go ahead and get ready for the wing sauce that we're making today, all right? So we're gonna melt down some butter, and we're gonna add a little honey, and this is going to help give a little extra pop to our hot wings, our wet sauced hot wings, okay? Again, I'm using the America's Wild West, and we're gonna go ahead, we'll get the wrapper taken all the way off, we'll get the lid taken off, and we're gonna go ahead and add this to our little butter and honey concoction. And the butter and honey really just helps it pop, all right? And despite Little Chef's opinion,
are you sure you're supposed to use that much?
Yes, baby girl, I am sure I'm supposed to use that much, all right? We got a lot of wings that we're cooking today, and we want to make sure that we get a nice big bowl of sauce to go ahead and wet these wings down, all right? So we'll get this finished, we'll get this concoction mixed up, and then we can go ahead and start worrying about our wings now that the sauce is made. So we'll put our wings on the grill. Again, very basic brisket rub, our salt, pepper, okay? And we're gonna throw these wings on the grill and get them fully cooked, all right? So when you're making sauced wings or dry rub wings, it doesn't matter. You're definitely going to want to cook them all the way before you get really heavy with your seasoning. So I do rub my when I do my dry rub wings, I'll rub them down and I'll put them on the grill. But I also grill them again when they come off, or I'm sorry, I dust them again when they come off. For wet sauced wings, you're gonna wanna cook the wings dry. You don't wanna cook the wings, you don't wanna grill the wings with the sauce on there, because most sauces have a ton of sugar, and sugar burns. It burns fast. And I guarantee you, you will end up with what looks like blackened wings, tastes like burnt wings, if you try to sauce your wings before they are fully cooked and you are cooking them on the grill. Now, if you're cooking in the oven or you're frying them, that's a slightly different story. You're still gonna sauce after you fry. But if you're cooking your wings in the oven, you can absolutely throw some of that sauce on there, because that you don't have direct heat hitting the wings. It's more of a convection style heat. So it prevents or protects the sauce from burning, okay? So these wings, we're grilling, because that's what I like to do. Now, you're always gonna have a couple of hot spots. My suggestion is not to get too far away from your grill when you're doing up your wings. Wings cook really fast, and they also have a lot of fat. It's a dark meat, and so there's gonna be more fat in this, and as it drips down to the coals, you're gonna have hot spots on your grill. So you wanna make sure that you just keep an eye on it, and you make sure that you don't get too many wings that run away from you, all right? So these are the wings fully done. All right, we got some nice char on most of them. 2 or 3 of them got away from me, you saw at the beginning of this particular clip, but hey, don't worry about it, we're saucing them down anyway. So let's go ahead and temp these using our ThermalWorks wand. All right, I absolutely love this thermometer, and looks like we are over 165. Some of these are closer to 200. Again, not a huge issue for wings when you start talking about temp. As a matter of fact, I'd almost rather you have them a little bit more done. Wings are dark meat. They can take a little bit more heat, okay? So let's go ahead and get these things off, and then we are going to get them inside and get them sauced down, all right? Hey, if you're still here, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button too, all right? Boom. So, very, very, very simple process now that these wings are cooked. We'll just add them to a separate bowl, and we're gonna go ahead and add our hot sauce concoction, okay? If I've said barbecue sauce at all anywhere in this video, just ignore me. I absolutely meant hot sauce, all right? So we're going to go ahead, we sauced them down. Let's mix it all around. Now, if you want to, you could be done right here. You could absolutely just sauce the wings. They're fully cooked. You got your sauce on them. You could be done, put them on the table. Your family will probably be happy. However, if you want to give them a little extra pop, just a little extra pop, go ahead and throw them back on the grill, all right? And what that is going to do is that it's going to allow that sauce to set. And that's why we made so much sauce, as a matter of fact, to my baby girl Chagrin. We actually made so much sauce because we are going to throw these back on the grill. We're going to let that sauce set. And then when we take them off, we're gonna sauce them one more time, all right? Because we want as much flavor on these little bitty wings as possible. Now, even remember what I said at the beginning of the video about not wanting to sauce your wings before you put them on the grill. You'll notice a couple of things here. 1, I'm never leaving these wings, okay? And 2, they are not directly over the grill, or I'm sorry, directly over the coals. These wings are set just at the edge of the coals because they are sauce, and I don't want that sauce to burn, okay? So I got them sitting right at the edge of the coals, and it's about 30 to 45 seconds, and we're gonna come back and we're turning them a quarter of a turn. And we're just gonna do that 4 times so that we can get the sauce to set on the entire wing. And then once that's done, then you could take them off, head back inside. You can either sauce them again, or if you have a dust, a rub that you want to hit them with, then you can add them. You can add it back to the wings at that particular time. And again, that's how you're gonna get that strong, that real bold flavor. Okay. So now that these are done, let's get them off the grill. We don't want them to burn. We'll plate them, and then we'll take them back inside and sauce them one more time. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Goodness. I actually did want to eat these right now, if I'm being 100% honest with you guys. They looked really, really good. Like, really good. But again, we're doing sauced wings. So I'm gonna go ahead and sauce them one more time. All right, that's why we made so much of that sauce, baby girl. We're gonna sauce them one more time, and then these wings are ready to eat. Let's get a close-up of the finished product before we get the old Pitmaster taste test. And you guys, these things smelled absolutely amazing. And I'll tell you right now, with that Pitmaster taste test, they turned out great. They taste just as good as they look. If you have smell-o-vision, then you know that they smell great too, all right? Hey, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video here on the channel. Peace.